Hi, this is Jyoti here. Welcome to Jopat Tech Guru. In today's session, we are going to understand how to deploy the Windows applications with C Sharp. So we are having many tools like ClickOnce, or you are having through the Azure or through the cloud also you can deploy it. So let us start the practical implementation of the same. Let me create a new project here. I would like to create a project called as Windows applications. So you can just search for Windows applications here. You'll be getting number of templates. Currently, I'm using Visual Studio 2022. I'm choosing Windows Forms application with the .NET framework. You can give any name. I'm keeping it as Windows Forms application 3 itself. Target framework is 4.7.2. Usually the solution name as well as the project name will be same. If you want to change, you can always change it. So I'm getting this form. So forms are the individual pages within your projects. So as per the toolbox is concerned, we are getting varieties of controls in case of Windows. So same things are not present in case of ASP.NET. So those who are aware about the console application, you can try to differentiate console application with Windows applications as well as web applications. So we can create varieties of applications in .NET framework. So let me create a very simple program. So currently I would just like to accept a name from the user. And as per the name is concerned, once user types something, once he clicks on the button, I want to display welcome. So enter name. So this is text box 1. If you want to change the properties, the ID property, you can change it. As it is a very simple program, I'm keeping it as it is. Button, properties. The content of the button, I would like to change it. This is the name of the button. And here, this is the text I want to give. Click here. So once user clicks on this particular button, I want to display a welcome message. I'm double clicking on the same. I'll be navigated to form1.cs file. This is Windows application. So I have to give message box dot show. Welcome to Windows applications. So if you execute this simple program, you are getting ultimately the output as a window. So once you click on the button after entering the name, you will be prompted with a message box. Swati, click here. Welcome to Windows applications. This particular program itself, this particular project itself, I want to publish, I want to deploy. So for this, currently I'm right clicking on the application. I'm having one of the option here called as publish. Click on the publish. Again, how we are getting in case of Wizard. Similarly, here also you will get all the standard options wherein you have to keep on giving all the information. First of all, it is asking you, where do you want to publish the application? So I would like to give the particular path, or you can give any of the path which you have got earlier with respect to this existing application or any of the other paths. So currently I'm present inside this particular folder, Windows Forms App 3. I'm giving the same folder itself. Click on open. This particular path will be taken. So you can see that C:users and the entire path is getting taken automatically over here. And it is giving you may publish the application to an FTP server or file path. So this is the examples they have given: disk path, file share, as well as FTP share. So click on next. Again, it is going to ask you whether you want to get the particular installation done from the website, or are you having any path, or do you want to give it something like a manual? Earlier we had CD drives to install all the things, or the DVD ROMs. So currently I'm choosing this option itself. We can click on next. Now, where will the application check for the updates? So do you have any updates? Suppose as per your project is concerned, every time you are going for the updates, maybe version 1.0, 1, 2.0, 3.0 like that. If you are having the updates, you can always go for the application will check for the updates for the following location. So that whenever you are keeping the updates up to date within the particular folder, once the installation will happen from the user side, from the website, it is going to update all the features, maybe some bug fixes and other things. You can just try it out with this radio button. Currently, I'm choosing the application will not check for updates. As this is a simple application, I'm creating it. I will not be creating number of updates for this. Click on next. Ready to publish. The wizard will now publish the application based on your choices. So whatever the options you have given it here till now, everything will be taken care. And I'm clicking on finish. So here in the output window, you can see that the application got published. And here you'll be getting published 1 succeeded, build 1 succeeded, 0 failed. So whatever the path I have given it, in this particular application, you'll be getting the setup file. Just double click on the setup file. So here the transformation of the files are getting done. Application is ready to install now. Of course, there will be a security warning as we are not creating the project with an authorized way or in an authorized manner. So publisher cannot be verified. Are you sure you want to still install this application? It is asking you a confirmation. As this is very simple application, yes, I want to install it. The name of the application is Windows Application Forms App 3. From this particular path, publisher is unknown. So if you are authorized user, you can always give a particular name, maybe name of your company or name of the particular person who has published this particular installation. So let me click on install. So now my application got installed and I will be able to work with the application without my project. So now my application is running. So let me do one thing. I'll just close my Visual Studio. So still my application is running because I have published it. So now it is a published program or published project which can be used by any person. So nobody will come to know what code you have written it. Whatever the data you are going to give it here, accordingly it will react. So let me give the name as Pooja. And it is going to give me welcome to Windows applications. So this is the way how you can deploy it. Wherever the setup file is there only you'll be getting the particular, setup file. There only you'll be getting the execution done. So once you double click on that, it is going to execute the output of that particular program. So here the logic or whatever the code you have written will be unknown to the end user. So setup file will be automatically getting generated once you publish your application. So hope everybody has understood the deployment process in the Windows applications. Thanks for watching the video. Keep on subscribing to my channel for new updates or new videos on the .NET framework. Like the video, share the video to your friends. Thanks everybody. Take care. Thank you.